Hi everyone, this is Keith from the Chicago House Youth Program. Hoping you're all having a great week so far. Today I have a simple science experiment that we all can do, and you should have the stuff you need for it already in your house. So of course, because we're doing a science experiment, we want to get our parents' permission first. Once we get our permission, let's gather what we need. So what we'll need is water. I have a pitcher of water, but you can use it from the sink as well. You need 5 tall glasses. They don't need to be as tall as these, but something a little bigger than this measuring cup, which we'll also need. And then this is optional, but food coloring dye, it's going to help you differentiate. So our first step is to line all of our glasses up, and then we're going to add food coloring to 4 of the glasses, excuse me. And if you don't have food coloring, again, you can still do this experiment without it. But if you did want to get it, you should be able to pick it up at the store, and it is very cheap. Okay, so we got some purple. We got some, I think this is green. Green, yellow, this is red, and then this is blue. Okay, and then we're going to leave the 5th glass empty. Okay, and so our second step is to add 1/4 of water. So look, take your measuring cup and pour in 1/4 of water. We're going to add that to the second glass. Leave the first glass without coloring dye empty. Alright. And now we're going to add 1/2 cup of water to the third glass. So measure up 1/2 cup. And if you want to know what 1/2 cup is, it's that 1-2 on your measuring cup. To the red. Then our next step is to add 3/4 cup of water to the next glass. So measure. So that's that 3/4 on your measuring cup. And then we're going to add a full cup of water, 1 cup of water to the last glass. Okay. So now you're able to see what the food coloring does is it makes it easier to see the difference in water amounts for each glasses. Now what we're going to do, and I forgot, I'm sorry, this is your last material need, is something wooden. I have a wooden ruler, but you can use a wooden spoon. You could use even a stick, anything that's wood. And so what we're going to do is tap our wooden object against the glass. Each glass. We're going to give it a little bit of space. So if you can hear, it might be hard to hear on video. All of the glasses sound a little different, and that's because the amount of water in it. So what's going on? So everything is made up of tiny atoms, and sound travels by waves, by vibrating atoms. Sound waves can travel through gases, like the air, and also through liquids and solids. Quick vibrations have a higher pitch, like a whistle. Slow vibrations have a lower pitch, like a dog growling. When you tap the empty glass, it makes a higher pitch than when you tap the glasses with water. Let's try. Let's see. High pitch. It's a little bit of a lower pitch. Let's do it again. The water makes the sound waves vibrate more slowly in the glasses. The more water the glass contains, the lower the sound will be. The different pitches gives you a fun instrument to make your music with. So you can do it. So if you do it, it goes from low. And if you do it, you want to do it very slowly. But if you do it like this, it makes a xylophone sound. And there you go. That is our water symphony for today. So again, don't need a lot of materials for this science experiment. It's very simple, and then at the end, you'll have a fun new musical instrument to play with. This has been Keith from the Chicago House Youth Program, hoping you have a great rest of your week, and I'll see you next time.